Is this water inlet valve good or bad? I am testing a Whirlpool water inlet valve with a multimeter. Tutorial suggests I should test a 200 ohms. When I do, I get the number 1, which suggests that the part is bad. But other tutorials suggest I should test at 2000 ohms or on the audible continuity setting. When I try those settings, I get readings in the 1030 range, which would suggest the part is good. Additionally, when I test using the audible continuity testing, it does not beep. But when I put one lead on one terminal and then touch the other lead to it, it beeps. Anyway, it's driving me crazy trying to figure out if the part is bad or not. I do not want to buy a new part and find out that this isn't the issue, as many parts are not returnable. The issue with the washer is that it only fills with a little water. I'm aware it could also be dirty screens on the pressure switch, which appears to be built into the main board, and from what I read, it's not repairable and could also signal a control board issue. Hoping a multimeter expert can help me determine if the water inlet valve is cooked or not. Thanks in advance. Okay, here are the comments. Check house pressure, and if the valve inlet screens are not dirty, it's the water valve. Do you know how to go into diagnostic mode? House pressure seems fine. I don't really know how to do diagnostic mode. Whirlpool WTW 4900 BWO. Have always had washers without computers until recently. I have watched videos where they turn the dial in a sequence and lights flash, but I don't know how to interpret understand these results. I went into diagnostic mode and it says it's a sensing issue. During this time, I have been able to do laundry and run the washer by adding the water manually when it's filling and moves successfully from sensing through to the wash cycle. Had to add more water during the rinse cycle, but it moves through the cycles as it should. Would that indicate that it isn't the main board? Okay. Another comment, the part is testing good electrically. It is within specs of 500 to 1500 ohms. But why does it show bad when I test 200 ohms on the meter? A solenoid controlled water valve is mostly a mechanical part testing resistance. The coil can tell you if it's bad, but it doesn't tell you if the valve is good. I won't know 100% until I try a new part. I just did a diagnostic test and it said it was a sensing issue. That's because you've got a bad pressure sensor. Most issues I find are the cold water valve. Verify good pressure to the machine. I usually take the hose off and spray some water in the machine. If you have a good pressure, hook it up and run the rinse and spin. Should be a decent flow. If not, could be the valve isn't fully opening. The only use could be water. They only use cold water valve for rinse. It takes too long to fill. It will have a sensing error. Pressure sensor errors usually cause the drain pump to run continuously. Don't test resistance. Disconnect it from the board. Cheat the load with the lamp cord to give it 120 from a wall unit. If water comes in, then it's fine. Just hook it up. Make sure the water will flow by bleeding some water off on the pressure side. Then power it up. Test voltage, and at this point now, dose it flow. Now, does it flow? That's how you find the answer to your problem. You're most likely got a bad pressure sensor, and you're going to need to replace that main control. Check for voltage under load. That will answer your question. You're going about this all wrong. Just remove the strainers from the valve and clean them, flush out water hoses, reconnect them, and give it a try. How's the water pressure when filling? Does water enter the tub like filling a bathtub or filling a cup of water? Read sticker and recently apply voltage accordingly. Feed 120 volts directly from outlet to physically check it. If water isn't coming, it isn't bad. If water isn't coming in, it's bad. If you have 120 volts to it and you're no water going through it, it's bad. That's it for the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a good one.